Hi guys, this is a new digital planner. It's called My Happy Place. It has cute and fun colors. It has a January to December version and also a July through June version. We're looking at the January to December version and the months are at the top. The notebooks, there are 5, they're on the side. And then we have index, extra pages, and stickers. In order to get to each month, all you have to do is tap on the monthly tabs at the top, and they'll take you to each monthly page. Then you can tap on each notebook on the side to get to each specific notebook. There are 5. Now we're on the index page. You can tap on the extra pages tab and the stickers tab. In the top right corner, you just tap the invisible square and it takes you to the cover page. In order to get to the weekly pages, you tap on the monthly page tab and you tap the invisible square on the bottom right of each week, and that gets you to the weekly pages. To get you to the daily pages, there are these dots and you just tap on each of them and that gets you to a specific daily page. Okay, let's go back to the monthly pages. Because this planner is undated, you do have to date the monthly page. And also the daily pages are undated, so you will be writing in your own dates. And also the weekly pages are undated, so again, you'll write in your own dates. We're now back on the index page, and we have these 5 notebooks on the index page that correlates to the 5 notebooks on the side, so you can tap either one to get to the notebooks. I'm just showing you some other color notebooks, and the index page do have 6 additional notebooks, and you can customize them however you want. Like, for example, we can go in and we can name this notebook tab Happy Notes. And because we're feeling lazy, we're just going to copy and paste it, so we won't have to rewrite it again. So we go into the actual notebook itself. So we tap on the notebook and we place the Happy Notes writing right there. Each notebook section has 1 line paper after. Later on in the video, I'll show you how to copy and duplicate more pages. We're now looking at the extra pages, and this planner has a lot of extra pages: finance page, meal planning pages, workout schedule, self-care pages, cleaning schedule. This planner has a lot of graphs, dotted line, more graphs, a happy notebooks page. We're actually going to use this page to place in our green notebook, but we'll do that later. There's different color line pages, 3 different weekly layout pages, and we have a daily page in which you can write your own schedule. The daily pages that's linked in the planner has a 5 a.m. through 10 p.m. schedule. So now we're going back to get that Happy Notes page so we can place it in our green notebook section. So we hit the down arrow on the top left and the 3 dots on the top right. Copy page. We go to the notebook section, hit those 4 squares at the top, and we're going to place it right here. So down arrow and add page after, paste the page, and now we have the notebook section page in back of the green notebook. See? Now, if you want to duplicate a page, you go back in and just tap duplicate. So now we have 2 duplicates of that section, Happy Notes section page. A detailed copy and paste video is linked in the description. Now onto the stickers page. This planner has 90 cute stickers, and I'll show you how to use some of these stickers. You want to make sure that the image is on when you tap the lasso tool. We're going to zoom in, lasso, long press, take screenshot, share it, copy. We're going to go to the place in the planner that we want to place the sticker, long press, paste it. And as you can see, it still has a white background. We're going to get rid of that. crop it. We're going to use the rectangle cropping tool. We're just going to guide it in towards the sticker. Hit done. And now your sticker has no white around it. Now, an easy way that I use if I want to reuse a sticker is that I lasso and copy it, and I go back to the sticker page to actually place that crop sticker on the sticker itself. So that way when I go to use the sticker again, all I have to do is lasso and copy it, and I won't have to deal with actually cropping the white space of the sticker out again. So I hope that tip helps. So now we're going back to the sticker page, and I'm going to show you how to use a sticker that's an odd shape like a circle. And you basically do the same thing, the same steps. And I do have a detailed YouTube tutorial about stickers. I'll link it in the description box. So right now we're going to the place in the planner that we want to place the sticker. So you see the sticker has that white space around it. We're going to get rid of that. Instead of cropping it rectangle, we're going to do freehand. So we can actually draw around the circle. And that way we make sure that we got rid of the white space around it. I hope you like this video and this planner. This planner will be linked in the description.